So we've got the new motor in place. This is the old motor. New motor works great. We're going to test it out with the old door. So here's the old door switch. It stays in the step down position, which is why I wanted to get it replaced. Hey, the audio up started working. That's good. Great. Okay, now we're going to try the new door panel switch. Now this is the new door switch. All the windows work except these all work. Except for the driver's side window. It makes little clicking sounds like a relay, but it doesn't do anything. Okay, so we got the old door panel back on with the new window motor. The auto down works good. Auto up works good. Control down's fine. My switch is broken, so it's hard to tell the difference between auto down and control down. Controlled up is good. Auto up is a little touchy. It works good. Now, this new piece, just realized it has an auto down, but it does not have an auto up. Only one position. 2 positions for down, 1 position for up. So I don't think this is the right door panel piece.